Well, it's very pretty today up, but it's way too wet to work. So I'm here at home, doing a little bit of work. Got to put that boy right there in the woods here, big boy here, before long. Doing some saw work basically right now. We're not cleaning up and on them and seeing about the carburetors. Cleaned them out. Yeah, putting shocks in. So everybody's got to have a saw shop if you're a logger, and this is ours, and it's good. All kinds of parts. So yeah. All right, that's where I'm at today.